Crazy Build a Boat for a Treasure. That's the full name now. Boat Crazy. So I'm going to show you the best gold grinder in the game. It's called the OP Magnet Grinder. Load that in. So as you can see, looks like this. Wait, you just have to delete that. So I'll teach you how to build this. So first, get a wooden post. Place it. Get yourself one of your titanium blocks, and then go to stars and get your pilot seat, and then get a hinge following from the steel block. Get steel block following from that hinge, and then you basically just need your magnet. Just need a magnet, turn, and place it right there. Perfect. Get in the seat. Delete a wooden post. Oh, first turn on your thing. And I just do that for that guy too. And then literally you can just boom. And you can go boom, and then you can kind of like the turbines. If you go up, you go faster. If you go down, you go slower. It's probably the most OP gold grinder. It's not that OP to go to the end. Oh, come on. Yeah. I'm gonna let the UFO just die, and you can go fast, like into one around these stages. But wait, there's new stages, guys. I can also share that in the new video because of the new update. So if you don't have to. I just look at the stages with turbines, but I have to have turbines to look around the stage. Just have to go on a regular boat or some flying technique. You can use the magnet grinder. So yeah, let's go check out the new dinosaur stage. Yes, I think it's new because I've never seen it on the map list. I know the alien stage, all of these stages, except I don't think I've been there. Just go up a little bit faster. I think I'm gonna zoom out on it. So this is the new stage. If I'm not wrong. No, the stage is just that I've been to the stage. The lily pad one. Oh, this stage. This bad. Okay. That's sad. Right outside the end, and I just died. I don't think I'm even gonna get gold. Just die. Oh, I got gold. 40 gold. Tomorrow is, by the way, Good Friday, and it's also the update for the Easter of it. These are jetpacks, regular ones. Let's choose our blocks. I think we could use some blocks, and yeah, with blocks we can do anything. What should we get in the shop? Titanium. Take 50 of those. Sure, how many? Yeah, but plushy. Fleshy. Fleshy. Wait. Oh shoot. Oh, just send that because Roblox told us to. Okay, that's good. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Oh, that's cool. I just wanted to, on this video, I just felt like showing magnet grinders and the stages and that stuff. Yeah, so yeah, I showed that, and I guess I can now. I don't know what to do. Wait, I don't know what to do if I share that with you guys. Oh, I can show some mechs. Let's load in the blue beast. One mech of mine. Let's load in mech ready. This one's the ugly one. He's OP. It's a shield. He's the hat. Let's load in Criminal mech. This one, my friend likes it. Dabber Pro. What's Mecho 3? Oh yeah, that guy. I know Mecho 3. He might look very bad, but he's. And then I have my Magnet Grinder. Minion is just one that Dabber helped me with. So yeah. Let's test this one more time, guys. Can we actually make it to the end? Oh, shoot, my magnet's on. Shoot. Well, it must be like a magnet grinder that I have. The magnet grinders are really hard. Well, not hard to make, but they're so hard to control. You don't even want to know how hard they are to control. Like, where am I? I don't even know where I am. I don't have my mag. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go take a chair. These are too big for me. Should have gone in my jetpack. Ah! Oh yeah, the secrets. Secrets never lie. I'm dodging. Oh! Getting shot by cards too. Oh! Just got hit by a ball. Oh, I got hit badly that time. Parkour, parkour. Shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Parkour, parkour. Please. No. You can't. You're kidding me. No. Oh, okay. I can't even claim my gold. I'm so low on gold. I am so low on gold. I guess that's basically the end of this video. All I could show you is that. So I got a short video.